This is a pellet that one of the chicks just coughed up. They can't digest that, so they spit it up like owls or whatever. It's craziness. I didn't know what it was. And I know what it is now after a little searching in Google.